guys, welcome back to Style with Substance and welcome to my very first Monday motivation video and hopefully the first of many. So I want to thank you for tuning in if you are new to my channel. Today's message is all about effort and how much you're putting in. As you've seen, the title of the video is You're Just Not Working Hard Enough. Now, I wanted to start off with a really hard-hitting message, and I know that's going to make a lot of you feel like, whoa, she's really coming for us. But at the end of the day, I think that if you are goal-oriented and you are an ambitious person, you have definitely and absolutely set yourself a big task for 2018. And if you think that that goal is in any way, shape or form achievable, you know the amount of effort that you're going to have to put in to make that come to pass. And I think a lot of the time we are just not working hard enough. We are not producing as much as we should do. We are not thinking. We are not creating as much as we can do. We are not using every spare minute and hour of the day and just squeezing every last inch out of our energy and our efforts to make our dreams a reality. I know for one, I am completely guilty of this, kind of why I started the motivational messages. And I think that if we have a dream in our hearts and we have something that we are really striving to achieve, we've just got to put in the hours. We've just got to work that much harder. I've been reading the 10x rule and I will link it down below. I've been listening to it on Audible. And it's really pushed me to see that big dreams come with big responsibilities and big action. I just haven't been putting in enough of myself to really strive and to really make steps towards achieving what I want to achieve this year. So my Monday motivation for you today is you need to work harder, you need to wake up earlier, you need to go to bed later, you need to allow yourself time to rest. But the times that you are up and awake and alert, you need to be devoting any spare second to achieving whatever it is your dream is. If that is working out, then you need to be doing that. If that is eating healthier, you need to be making more steps to buy healthier food. If that is growing an audience for your blog or your YouTube channel, then you need to be putting out more content, you need to be editing, you need to be thinking up video ideas. You need to be using every hour in the waking day that you get where you're not sleeping to put it towards that. So that means giving up a lot of things, giving up socializing some of the time, giving up spending frivolously, giving up things that are not helping to push you that one step closer to achieving your dream. So we just need to work a little bit harder. Happy Monday. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Share this video with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. You can find all the links to my social media down below, and I will see you tomorrow for another motivational message. Bye.